So today we have this Powercraft exhaust off a Lamborghini Gallardo. It's got a cracked X-pipe and it needs repairing, so who better do it than me? So firstly we've got to clean this up. We'll do it with a white brush and some Scotch-Brite. We're going to have to heat this X-pipe up and try and burn all the carbon out of it, and that way we can hopefully get a weld that's got full penetration and doesn't look like a pelican's pooed on it. So we'll run the cutting disc around this weld just to get rid of most of the build-up, and then we'll weld it. We have to back purge this since it's stainless, so we'll extract some foil, clamp it up and jam it in all the orifices so no gas escapes. So we shouldn't have to block off any of this side because these valves, which have been previously wired shut, will stop all the flow of gas out of there. The welding was horrible. It's just ridiculously dirty. You could see all the impurities come up as I was welding it. I blew probably 4 or 5 holes in it. It was just not very nice at all. Hopefully it holds. I'm not very confident in it. The weld looks absolute rubbish, but that's about the best I can do. So before we start, make sure you like and subscribe and tell us what you're doing below.